Well, I hope you've had a great weekend. Sunday afternoon, and it looks like the sky is going to pop today. It's so beautiful. We're at Lake Eden. It's around 5:45. Sunset's at 6:30. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use the Osmo Mobile to actually do a time lapse of the sun setting, but I'm going to sync it in with my camera so that as I take some photos, I'll actually be putting into the time lapse. So let's say if I take a photo at 5 minutes to 6, you'll see that one. At 6 o'clock, you'll see that one. And I'll actually put the settings that I used as well. So I'm mostly going to use some ND filters or polarizer today. So you'll actually see all the settings that I put down on the camera. Now I'm shooting in RAW and in JPEG. So I'll put the JPEG and then put the edited RAW file there as well. So you can actually see what it looks like once it's edited. Now the reason I'm not doing a full-on YouTube is that I'm here with a couple of friends and we're just going to have a relaxing time taking photos of the sunset, having a chat. So this will be the next best thing. So I hope you enjoyed. Let's hope for a terrific sunset. You can see here, like, look, it's just so bright, but it is just so nice. Now I'll actually pan back on the other side and you'll actually see what I mean. So this is Lake Eden. It is just so beautiful. Now the sun's still quite bright. Oh, look at that. It's just so bright. I'm actually going to set up just on this causeway up here. Just hidden from view there. So hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see in the background, it's twilight. It looks like the full moon's out just on the other side here. 7 o'clock. Had a great time this afternoon, took some photos. The sky really didn't light up as much as what we were hoping, but that's a joy of photography. You've just got to get out there. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse and the photos I put in through the time lapse as well. Just something different today. Until next time, this is Charles for Charles N Photography. Bye for now.